How to change the username account in Windows 11. Hey everyone, this is Lucy. Welcome back to the channel and let's get started. So, in order to change your name, you need to first go to Control Panel. In the search bar, type Control Panel and open it. So, make sure you have your Control Panel view by as category. Just click on category in this drop down menu and you'll get this interface. Now click on user accounts here. Just click on change account type. So I have this user account. If I want to change one of these, then I can just go into these. Just double click on the one you want to change, and at the first you will see the option to change its name called change the account name. Click on it and you will be taken to this place. You just need to click a new name for your account. So I'll just click LSY and I will click on change name. So this has changed my name, but here I will still see my old name. So what I need to do is sign out of this account and sign back in. So after that, it will show me this name that I created earlier from control panel. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. For more videos, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.